Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best video doorbell? Then this video is totally made up for you. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Ring Video Doorbell in easy steps. Basically, the Ring Video Doorbell is a smart security device that allows users to monitor their front door in real time through a mobile app. It features HD video, two-way audio, and motion detection, enabling remote communication with visitors. So let's start the video. Firstly, we will unbox the Ring Video Doorbell. Inside the Ring Video Doorbell box, you'll find the doorbell itself, a rechargeable battery for battery-powered models, a USB charging cable, mounting brackets, screws, wall anchors, a screwdriver, and a user manual. Some models also include a corner or wedge mount for better positioning. Everything needed for installation is included. So let's start the setup process. If your model has a removable battery, fully charge it using the provided USB cable. A green light will indicate when it's fully charged. Install the Ring app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play, Android. Open the app and sign in or create a new account. Now tap Set up a device in the Ring app. Select doorbells and scan the QR code on the back of your Ring device. Press and hold the Setup button on your Ring doorbell until the light starts flashing. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Turn off power, connect the doorbell wiring, and attach the doorbell to the wall. Press the button to check if notifications appear on your phone. Test the video and audio functions. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.